KiwiWrite Math, using the Draw tool. KiwiWrite Math includes a simple draw tool which allows you to add drawings of points, lines, simple shapes, highlighting, and freehand drawing on top of your KiwiWrite work and PDF files. In this video, we will show you how to draw within KiwiWrite. To get started, click on the pencil icon at the top of the gray bar, which will switch the side panel to the draw controls. Click on the pencil again to switch back to the math keys. You may only draw when the draw controls are shown, and you may only add math or text when the math keys are shown. In the top orange tile of the Draw tool controls are 3 icons. Click on the leftmost tool icon to select which draw tool is active in the tile below it. The 6 tools allow drawing of points, single lines, multi-part lines, freehand drawings, and simple shapes, plus an eraser to remove previously drawn items. Click on the center settings icon to choose between regular and highlight mode, and to choose colors, line thickness, and line style. Click on the right pointer icon for editing previously drawn objects. More on this later. Drawings are done by either dragging or clicking in the math display area based on which tool is selected. Please be aware that drawings are made in a separate drawing layer, so are not part of any math problem. Therefore, they will not move if you move a math problem which is underneath a drawing. To draw a point, select the point tool. Then simply click on the display area where you want the point drawn. If you would like a different color or size, then first go to the settings icon and click on the color and size you would like. You do not need to click on the side panel before each drawing. Instead, use the draw control icons when you want to change tools or settings of what you want to draw next. To draw a single line, then click on the single line tool. Then drag your mouse or finger for touching the display to make a line. The line tool also has special math endpoints that can be selected. Open and close points are provided for line segments, and arrows are provided for drawing geometry rays or lines. The second arrow setting will draw arrows that extend past where you clicked for the line start and end. To draw freehand sketches, select the freehand icon and drag on your screen. If you want custom colors for any drawings, then the last color icon provides the option to allow this. For simple shapes, select the shape icon and then choose the shape type you wish to draw. Draw these shapes by dragging from a single starting point to an end point. For circles, the starting point will be the center, and the end point will determine the radius. For triangles, the starting point will be the top point, and the end point will be one of the corners. Green edit dots will immediately appear on triangles to allow you to change the triangle shape if you wish. For squares and rectangles, the starting point will be one corner, and the end point will be the opposite corner. You may also choose to draw solid by clicking the bottom solid shape icon before drawing the shape. To erase any previously drawn items, click on the Erase tool. Then click or drag over the shape. Remember, you can also undo if you erase an item you didn't mean to erase. The last tool is the Multi-Part Line tool, which allows you to draw a set of connected line segments, such as might be needed for a graph. This tool might not be used by younger students. To use this tool, first select the Multi-Part Line icon. Then click or tap at the start and each additional turning point for the line. To finish a line, you may either double-click if using a mouse, or hold down the cursor or finger for 1 second on the last point. In addition, if you move the cursor off the display area, the line will end. The special endpoints may also be selected for multi-part lines. In addition, there is a choice of adding points at each joints, useful for graph lines, or the ability to draw a closed, freestyle shape. If you select the bottom icon here, then when you finish your multi-part line, a line will be added to make it a closed shape. You may also use the single or multi-line tool with highlighting colors. To highlight, click the Color Settings icon and select the second icon in the blue tile to set the mode to highlighting. You may also change the color and thickness of the highlight line by clicking the icons below. Plus, choose between two different opacities. Points, shapes, and freehand will use the regular non-highlight settings for their color and size. You may also move objects or change the endpoints of previously drawn objects by using Edit mode. Note that you cannot change other attributes such as color of drawings you have already made. To use Edit mode, click on the pointer icon to start Edit mode. Then click or drag over the item you wish to edit. That item will become highlighted. You may then drag the item to move it, or drag on any green edit dots to change the endpoints or sizes of the object. Lines, multi-part lines, and shapes will display edit dots, while freehand drawings will not. Remember to save your work when you are done. KiwiWrite auto-saves once a minute. Thanks for learning about KiwiWrite's Draw tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@kiwiwrite.com.